Good morning, Cambridge. Today is Monday, April 13, 2020. And glad because we made it our second week of school, and now we're starting our third week of school of online learning, which is great. Um, well, let's go ahead and start. Today we're going to be doing lesson 64. What lesson? Get ready. Yes, 64. And well, you're going to need your textbook, your workbook, a pencil, and a sheet of paper so you write on, all right? If you don't have your materials, go ahead and click pause and go grab. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and start. So open your book to page 118. That is lesson 64. I'll give you a couple seconds to get there. All right. Once you're there, boys and girls, before we start with our vocabulary words, we're going to go ahead and practice some sentences that we have learned. You learned a sentence about, here's the last sentence that you learned. Everybody, she survived until she was rescued. Everybody say that sentence. Ready? Yes, she survived until she was rescued. Now, I wrote that on my white. Survived until she was rescued. What word means managed to stay alive? Get ready? Yes, survived. What word means saved from danger? Get ready? Yes, rescued. Okay, once more. Say the sentence that tells how long she survived. Get ready? Yes, she survived until she was rescued. Awesome. Now let's go to page 118 and start our word. Everybody touch column 1, yellow column. It's very important that at home you are tracking, you're slanting, and you're adding loud out, okay? So touching the yellow column. Word 1 is weapon. What word? Yes, weapon. Spell weapon. Get ready. Word 2 is succeed. What word? Yes, succeed. Spell succeed. Get ready. Word 3 is sword. What word? Yes, sword. Spell sword. Get ready. Word 4 is elephant. What word? Yes, elephant. Spell it. Get ready. Word 5 is equipment. Spell equipment. Get ready. All right. Go to. All these words end with the letter S. Word 1. What word? Yes, weapons. Word 2. What word? Yes, ladders. Word 3. What word? Yes, tanks. Word 4. What word? Yes, spears. Word 5. What word? Yes, shields. All right, let's go to column 3. Word 1. What word? Yes, starve. When people have no food to eat for a long time, they starve. Everybody, what happens if people have no food to eat for a long time? Get ready. Yes, they starve. Word 2. What word? Yes, war. Word 3. What word? Yes, ago. Word 4. What word? Yes, Greece. What word? Yes, protect. Let's go to column 4. Everyone pointing to column. Word 1. What word? Yes, battles. A battle in a war is one of the smaller fights that takes place in the war. A war is made up of many battles. Everybody, what do we call one of the smaller fights in a war? Get ready. Yes, a battle. Word 2. What word? Yes, army. An army is the group of people that goes to war for a country. Everybody, what do we call the group of people that goes to war for a country? Get ready. Yes, an army. Word 3 rhymes with toes. What word is it? Get ready. Yes, bow. Word 5. What word? Yes, calendar. What word? Yes, suppose. Let's read word 1. What word? Yes, battles. Word 2. What word? Yes, army. Word 3. What word? Yes, bows. Word 4. What word? Yes, calendar. Word 5. Word? Yes, suppose. Let's go to column 5, the orange column. Word 1. What word? Yes, dump. Word 2. What word? Yes, Troy. Word 3. What word? Yes, electric. Word 4. What word? Soldiers. Really good at home, reading and tracking on these columns. Okay, we're going to go to part B. You are going to read a story about how a calendar works. First, we'll read the message. It gives some facts about 2 places that are far away from here. Everybody, touch the title. We're going to read this information passage, okay? That means we're going to read it together. So you're tracking like me and you're reading loud and proud. Finger on the title. On my signal, we start together. Get ready. Greece and Troy. In the next lesson, you will read a story that tells about a war between Troy and Greece. Stop right there. Everybody has had a war. Get ready. Yes, Troy and Greece. Keep track. You can find Troy and Greece on the map of the world. Was called Troy is now part of Turkey. Stop right there. Everybody touch Turkey on the map of the world. Get ready. The little dot in Turkey is where Troy used to be. Okay, let's go back to tracking. The country of Greece is between Italy and Turkey. Italy is shaped like a boot and it looks like to step on Greece. And touch the heel of Italy. Get ready. It should be the little purple, like purple right there. It's like the little heel. Okay? Now, move your finger from the heel on Greece. Get ready. All right, let's go back to tracking. Oops, we're going to go ahead and turn the page. Everybody turn the page. We're at the top of page 120. Right, now, the map below makes it easier to see Troy and Greece. The war took place. The story that you'll read tells why that war took place. Stop right there. Where did the war take place? Get ready. Yes, Troy. What country did you go to war with? Get ready. Yes, Greece. Okay. Now everybody find part C in your book. We're going to read the story 2 times. First, you'll read it out loud yourself and try your best. And then I'm going to read it to you and ask you some questions. So go ahead and click pause and read it to yourself. And when you're done, come back so I can read it to you. Okay, my turn to read to you. That you click, you're ready. You already read it by yourself. Your fingers tracking as I read. Listen carefully. Learning about a timeline. You're going to read a story of something that took place a long time ago. To understand how long ago the story happened, you understand how a calendar works. Right there. What does a calendar tell you, boys and girls? Think big. What do you know about a calendar? What does it tell you? Get ready? Yes, a calendar tells the month and the year. Keep tracking as I read. If the year is now 1999, the year 100 years ago was 1899. If the year now is 1945, the year 100 years ago was 1845. Here's a rule about years. The numbers get smaller as you go back in time. Right there. Everybody, what happens to the numbers as you go back in time? Get ready. Yes, they get smaller. When do they get smaller? Get ready. Yes, as you go back in time. Keep tracking. What are the first 2 numbers in the year 1970? Stop right there. Everybody, they are 19. Everybody, what are they? Get ready. Yes, 19. Keep tracking. If you go back 100 years, the first 2 numbers would be 18. So the year 100 years before 1970 is 1870. Stop right there. Everybody, what year is 100 years before 1970? Get ready. Yes, 1870. Keep tracking. What are the 2 numbers in the year 1679? Look at it. Get ready. Yes, 16. Keep tracking. If you go back 100 years, the first 2 numbers wouldn't be 16. They would be 15. So what year is 100 years before 1679? Think big. Get ready. Yes, 1579. Keep tracking. What are the first 2 numbers in the year 1965? Get ready. Everybody say them. 19. Keep tracking. If you go back 100 years, what are the first 2 numbers? Everybody say them. Get ready. Yes, 18. Keep tracking. If you go back another 100 years, What are the first two numbers? Stop right there. Everybody, say them. Yes, 17. Keep tracking. If you go back another 100 years, what are the first two numbers? Stop right there. Everybody, say them. Get ready. Yes, 16. Keep tracking. So what year is 300 years before 1965? Stop right there. The year that is 300 years before 1965 starts with the number 16. Everybody, say that year. Get ready. Yes, 1665. Stop right there. Keep tracking. Keep tracking, sorry, boys and girls. Start with the year 1780. If you went back 200 years, what are the first numbers? Think big. Think of the first two numbers of 1780 and then take away 2. Everybody, tell me the first two numbers. Get ready? Yes, 15. Keep tracking. Say the year that is 200 years before 1780. Get ready? Yes, 1580. Right. Turn the page, boys and girls. We're at the top of page 122. What year is it now? Everybody, what's the answer? Get ready? Yes, 2020. Keep tracking. What year was it 100 years ago? Everybody, what's the answer? Get ready? Yes, 1920. What year were you born? Get ready? Okay, I can't hear you, but I bet you said what year you were born. Now, keep tracking. What year was it 100 years before the year you were born? Big. Okay. The arrow in the picture on page 123 shows a timeline. Here is the rule about the timeline. Think big. Listen big. Listen. Things that happen right now are at the top of the timeline. Things that happened a long time ago are near the bottom of the timeline. Stop right there. What does the top of the timeline show? Get ready? Yes, things that happen right now. Now, what does the bottom of the timeline show? Get ready? Yes, things that happened a long time ago. Keep tracking. Touch the dot that says now. Everybody, do it. Get ready? So with your other finger, you can touch the dot that says now on the next page. What year should go on that dot? Get ready? Yes, 2020. That's the year it is now. Everybody, what year is it now? Get ready? Yes, 20. Now touch dot B. Get ready? B. Everybody do it. That dot shows when you were born. That dot is very because you were born only a few years ago. Now, what year goes on dot B? Get ready? Yes, the year. Now touch dot C. dot C. That dot shows that the first airplane was made in 1903. 1903. That was about 100 years ago. Now touch dot D. Everybody's finger is on dot D. That dot shows the year 100 years ago. What year was that? Get ready. Yes, 1803. 1803. Now, everybody, touch dot E. Everybody do it. That dot shows 200 years ago. What year was that? Get ready. Yes, 1703. Now, dot F shows the year that the United States became a country. Okay? What year was that? Get ready. Yes, 1776. You can see that it was over 200 years ago when the United States became a country. Now everybody touch dot. That dot shows the year 300 years ago. What year was that? Get ready. Yes, 1476. Now, turn the page. See how many of the dates you can remember without looking at the timeline. What year is it now? Get ready. Yes, 2020. What year? Get ready. Okay. In what year was the airplane made? Get ready. Go back. The first airplane was made in 1903. Next question. What was the year 100 years ago? If right now it's 2020 and we take off 100 years from 2020, that is 1920. Okay? What was the year 200 years ago? Get ready. If we take another 100 years, it was 1820. Okay. And in what year did the United States become a country? So back to the timeline. If we look at dot F, the United States became a country in 1776. Now, the next question, what was the year 300 years ago? If we take off 300 years ago from 2020, what's the answer? Get ready. 1720. All right, boys and girls. Well, with that being said, turn to do it. You're going to be answering questions on page 125, 126, 127, 128. There's 24 questions on your book, and there are more questions in your workbook for lesson 64. Okay, there are questions on lesson 64 for workbook. When you are done, don't forget to teams. Okay, that's how I'm going to be grading your work. We'll have a wonderful day. Bye.